tell it everywhere I go. Tell them, world, tell them. Yeah, I'm a billboard. Tell the world, and I'm broadcasting like a radio. Tell the world you wanna know. I'm brand new.
Alright, so this is what my skin is looking like, and look, I have broken out. I don't know what that is. It's hormonal. I know what it is. It's hormonal. Okay, so that's what my face is looking like. So here we go with your I done did my brows on y'all. Yeah, so Lego. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyelid primer, and I'll be priming my eyes. And I have not been priming my eyes for a hot minute, and I have fallen in love with priming my eyes all over again. You don't have to, but for this look I chose to, because I'll be using my black opal toast. That's the same color I used to clean up my brows. I'm using that color to set as like a little base for my eyeshadows. So I'm using my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. Oh my god, if you guys do not own any Juvia's Place palettes, I feel so bad for you. Their palettes are absolutely phenomenal. I love them, and I bought all 4 of them for my kit because it's that good. So as you can see, I'm just holding up all the colors that I'm using, so you can just go and screenshot or whatever, or follow me on Snapchat or whatever. I ain't saying nothing, I'm just saying, but I ain't saying nothing, but I'm just saying. Please don't forget to check out Lorie's video in the description bar below. I know I have been lagging somewhat some days, not posting the videos on time, and I'm completely, as in the links on time, and I'm completely sorry for that. It's just that every time the videos go live, I'm on the road, I'm not home, and I don't have my iPad. It's this whole big thing. But the look that I wanted to do today is a halo look, and instead of doing the blue on the inside and then the gold on the outside, I did a reverse. So I'm doing the blue on the outside, and notice I'm using 2 different color blues because I wanted a darker color blue to be on the outside rather than using the same blue on both sides. Understand? So even though it's halo, I wanted a bit of variety, and even though it's blue and gold, the color that we're working with for our collaboration, I wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit. So I'm taking this color from the Nubian 2 palette, and I'm putting it on. Look at that, it's gold blue, gold blue. Didn't realize it until just now when I'm editing it. I tell you, this look, as usual, as most of my looks do, it just came to me. I just sat down, turned the camera on, put out some palettes that had blue and gold in them, and then I just work. What also helps me to blend my colors together is the color wheel, not the color wheel, sorry, the primary colors. So you have the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow, and they're primary colors because no other color can be mixed with them to create any other color. So what you can work with if you're new to mixing colors is work with secondary colors. So I would work, if I'm doing a colorful look, I would go with, if red is my base color, or let's say I started with yellow, my next color will be orange, then my next color would be red. Why? Because red and yellow makes orange, and the oranges are sandwiched in the middle, right? So just a little tip for you guys. I hope that was clear. So the black that I use is my LA Pro primer in black, and I'm grabbing my palette again, and I'm look at how small the brush is that I'm using first of all, and I'm going around the colors. Notice that I'm going on the outside of the colors to blend out the edges, using a smaller brush to blend out the edges because I didn't want to use a bigger brush. Then I'm going with my Shades by Gal contour palette, and I'm using that color as a, I love this color for my brow bone, and that's what I'm using it for my brow bone. Then I'm using this from the Nubian 2 palette. This color, it's called Morocco. I know, because Morocco is my favorite color in both palettes, in all her palettes that she has. Hands down, Morocco is my favorite. It's great for blush, great for blending, great for transitional color, and that's just adding a little hint of color. So I'm looking at it like, it's side. But here goes my foundation. So that's my Rich Bronze foundation from Shades by Gal. Now let me tell you something. I don't know what Shades by Gal is doing over there, but it's live. Okay, their foundations are live. So I set on everything already. Now I have my banana powder baking away, and I know it looks crazy. You know how I dizzle. I'm using my LA Pro primer in black again to put on my waterline as well as the lash line. Then I'm going in with Morocco again, and I'm just blending that area out. And then I'm grabbing my Vanity Planet Flow straightening brush. Boom, coupon code in the description bar below. You guys know I'm an affiliate with Vanity Planet, so when you click my link and purchase, you girl get some coins. This is my Bobby Brown bronze palette, I believe, and if you want an inner glow, you need the Bobby Brown, you need the Hourglass, and you need MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish. I don't talk, I just say you just need all of them there for that you go for good. You know that? You know that? So I'm going to take this blue and I'm going to, you see that black there on my eye is the lash glue. So it's not the lash like falling off, that's the lash glue because it's a black lash glue. So I put the blues, the corresponding blues on the outside and the gold on the inside. Then I'm going with a lighter color gold because that gold wasn't showing up as much as I would want it to. So whoa, what was that? So yes, I'm using that as well to kind of mirror what's going on top. I told you guys I love me some Morocco. This is so amazing for blush, and guess what, the look is almost finished. Let's see what I'm gonna use on my lips to see. Bam! I'm using Coca K by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, just lining my lips with plum. I can't remember the real name, but it's LA Colors and it's in plum. Just any plum lip liner will do. And I chose to line it. You can too. You don't have to if you don't want to. But I'm completely in love with this look. I mean, my wig, the lips, the eyes, the glow, my breakouts. Please don't forget to check out Lorie's channel in the description bar below. She works really hard, and as you can see, she's new to makeup, so show her some love, show her some support. And she's not really a makeup person, you know, but she just saw me saying that I'm going to be doing a collab, and homegirl jumped on the opportunity. I'm gonna rate that. Lorie, good, big up yourself. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Toodles.